On to this day, we will celebrate the 20th anniversary of the Fox Kids television premiere since 20 years ago. It was the new Woody Woodpecker show. It has been released on May the 8th, 1999. So it voiced Billy West, Mark Hamill, and the rest of others. And yes, so the series has ended in 2002. Yeah, and yes, so it's based on the cartoons from Wonderland since 1940. And that means me, who saw the comics. And thank you very much for supporting the new Woody Woodpecker show since 1999-2002. So this is Woody the Woodpecker signing off, and peace.